In this video, we will show you how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word and make a checklist that others can fill in. Let's begin by opening a new or existing Word document. Now, place your cursor where you want the checkbox to appear. For example, if you are making a list of items, click at the beginning of the first item. You should see the blinking line that shows where the text will go. This is where the checkbox will be added. To insert a checkbox, we need to go to the Developer tab at the top of Word. But if you do not see the Developer tab, we will need to turn it on first. To turn it on, click on the File menu at the top left corner. From the menu, scroll down and click on Options. This opens the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, look at the menu on the left and click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, you will see a section called Customize the ribbon. Make sure the drop-down above this section is set to Main tabs. Now, look for the Developer option in the list. Check the box next to Developer to turn it on, then click OK. You will now see the Developer tab appear in the top ribbon along with other tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Now go back to your document and click on the Developer tab. In the Controls group, you will see a checkbox icon. Click on this checkbox icon once. You will now see a checkbox appear at the position where your cursor was. This is a clickable checkbox that can be used in your checklist. You can now copy and paste this checkbox to other parts of your document. To copy it, select the checkbox by clicking next to it and dragging your mouse over it, or by holding down Shift and pressing the arrow key. Then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. Move your cursor to the next item in the list and press Ctrl and V to paste the checkbox. Repeat this step for the remaining items in your list. Now when you click on any of the checkboxes, it will show a mark inside. By default, Word shows an X inside the checkbox when it is selected. But you can change the symbol if you want a different look. To do that, click on the checkbox to select it. Then go back to the Developer tab and click on the Properties button. This will open the Content Control Properties window. In this window, look for the option called Checked Symbol. Click on the Change button next to it. You will now see a list of symbols. You can choose any symbol you like. For example, if you want a check mark instead of an X, look for it in the Webdings or Wingdings fonts. Once you find the symbol you like, double-click it. This will take you back to the Content Control Properties window. Now click OK. The checkbox will now show your selected symbol when it is checked. That's how you add a fillable checkbox in Word and customize how it looks. You can now continue creating your checklist by adding more checkboxes and text. Thank you for watching.